We're going to dip down back pretty cold today.
Boy, isn't that the truth? Really, really cold, too.
Yeah, it's going to be it's tomorrow morning, single-digit wind chills. So we're talking about the snow and ice, but we're also all going to be dealing with the cold weather. Let's talk about what's going on outside right now on this MLK Day. A lot of you have the day off, of course, and it is a beautiful late morning, and going into the early afternoon, things are going to be fine. We're in the mid-50s right now in Denton County with plenty of sunshine. But temperatures will quickly take a nosedive here later on this afternoon. Here's a look at the future sky forecast. The front has already made it through parts of the Red River counties up toward Gainesville, Sherman, and Bonham. Now, before it gets to the Metroplex, we should top out near 60. But then right behind the front, here comes the cold air. Falling temperatures pretty quickly. 47 at 4 o'clock this afternoon. And notice the light rain starting up at that point, too. We're not quite cold enough for any ice or snow at that point, but then get deeper into the evening and we're starting to see it show up. Here's 5 o'clock, the colors of blue and pink indicating where that light rain is quickly changing over to a sleet snow combination. You can see it here at 7 o'clock. It's almost all that sleet snow wintry mix across the I-20 corridor, still holding on to just rain, cold rain at that in our southeastern counties at 7 o'clock. But as we get toward 9 o'clock, that transition goes a little bit farther to the south. And of course, overnight, we'll see it almost all change over to a snow across parts of our southeastern counties. In the Metroplex, I think all of the wintry precipitation should be done by midnight or so. And then during the overnight hours, the snow begins to push off to the east, but we are very cold with those strong north winds and temperatures falling into the 20s. Now, here's one of our computer models forecast for how much snow we could see. And notice that from the Metroplex northward, not much at all, maybe a dusting. In the Metroplex, we're talking about maybe up to a ½ an inch of snow, a snow-sleet combination. But look how much more there is to the southeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. 1 to 2 inches of snow from Kaufman and Canton down toward Athens, Corsicana, Palestine, Hillsborough. You'll have a better chance of picking up more significant snow totals overnight tonight. And that's the reason there's a winter storm warning for you, a little bit more severe in the criteria there. A winter weather advisory for the I-20 corridor in the Metroplex is for lighter amounts of snow up to a ½ an inch, but there still could be some slick spots tomorrow morning, really starting later this evening, closer to 10 o'clock and through the overnight hours. We should start seeing some of those icy spots, especially on bridges and overpasses. The winter storm warning, the heavier wintry mix starting after midnight tonight, and up to 2 inches of snow is possible in the winter storm warning. That does not include the Metroplex. It's generally south of I-20 and east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and hazardous driving conditions not only during the morning hours tomorrow, but possibly out throughout the entire day. So here again is what to expect for tonight into Tuesday morning. Northern areas and up along the Red River, very light precipitation amounts, if anything at all, so there will be zero or few issues north of the Metroplex. Now, from the DFW area and the I-20 corridor, a light wintry mix up to a ½ an inch. There will be some issues on the roadways because of that, but south of I-20 in our southeastern counties, a heavier wintry mix up to 2 inches will cause more significant issues. Those patchy, icy spots overnight into Tuesday morning in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, though. More widespread icy travel south of I-20. And, of course, we're going to be watching bridges, overpasses, and side streets. Those will be affected the worst. And the temperatures keep falling. At 2 a.m., we're in the 20s with feels-like temperatures in the teens. And when you wake up tomorrow morning, it's going to feel like 6 with widespread temperatures in the 20s. And we don't get above freezing all day tomorrow, even after all that wintry mix comes to an end. We're dry for the rest of the week and thankfully warming up by Saturday, highs near 70. That's going to feel real nice.